Sounds like a made-up excuse by lazy people to get out of math. It kinda does. Which is why it's so difficult to get support for dyscalculia. I often say that, it's acceptable that people can't read. I think it's really fascinating that it's okay if you can't spell and read properly. Society accepts that, but if you can't do math, people really dislike that. And it's fascinating to me how much our perception of mathematics, like you need to understand math in order to be smart. And if you are not, you're instantly stupid. And there's so many people that are really butthurt because they don't like mathematics. They found math difficult. They want an excuse to be done with math. So when you have a diagnosis that tells you, yeah, you found mathematics to be difficult, people go crazy. And it's not like I don't want to learn math. I found math very fascinating. And I even got top grades when I had a teacher that really understood how I was learning, how I was thinking. Because I didn't learn like the other ones. Which makes the question, is it me or is the system that is the problem? And why does the system do so well at making me traumatized for mathematics that it took years to even want to look at math? Yet I did it though. I did it because I know I can and I know how I learn. So I made it. It took a lot of effort, but I did. Not everyone will be able to do that because there's different levels to dyscalculia like everything else. And it's pretty much bingo out there if you get any good teachers, etc. And like always, that's why I talk about it, because people learn differently. We comprehend things differently. And this little diagnosis is looked down upon because it's all about mathematics, and people don't like that you have an excuse to not potentially do math. Great comment, thank you.